Khwezi FM Breakfast Show sibuye ngamandla kulo 2018 senze ready bemnandi koSekusile noTP Msomi Nosiphiwe Buthelezi siqhubeka ngamandla le Breakfast Show selekiwe itafula sondelele nabo kulo 2018 sithubana nokhwakele le Breakfast Show sophinde siphethulele back of the morning quote with nomcebo wakamsane.
A negative mind will never ever give you purpose.
Kudelana nomfundo wakashozi.
How many of you here have faced tragedies and challenges in your life that you never thought you could recover from?
Kanti happy Friday yikhona la sobe sidamzela khona ngama airtime sithi #Friday recharge okujwayelekile kujiki nesimo sezulu sikhona what's trending on the news ezimgaqo eziyitimela amazokuphila nabazalwayo kanjalo nengoma after ngoma ngemsomluko ikhona ophelelane nengosi sekhanyisela ngalomkhakha ngolwesibili siletha inkundla yogogo nomkhulu ne-tip of the week nesihloko sosuku kanti ngolwesithathu siletha ezomnotho inkundla yamadoda nesihloko sosuku ngolwesine siya fitness tip ekamasibumbane nobuyele ekhaya kanti Friday siletha iviki nezalo nemotivation kanjalo nebusiness talk ungaphuthelwa every Monday to Friday 7 to 10 ekseni noTP the Prince wakamsomi.